Here I've got a 2019 4 Winds 26-foot bow rider, the H260 and the classic blue red stripe, tan interior, dual axle trailer with the swing tongue. Really, really beautiful boat. This has all the options. Upgraded stereo system, stereo remote at the back, swim platform. Really nice interior, shower as well. Nice walk through here. Lots of room in the cockpit area. 13 passengers is the capacity on this boat. Here's all of the filler seats for the front here, so that fills all in. Upgraded Simrad touchscreen as well as the JL audio system. This tower is powered and it has a bimini top. Dual battery as well as a removable table you can put in the back there. Here you can close off the front, and then a pump out head as well. Big loungers, speakers, place for your anchor, hidden cup holders. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Snap in and out reed flooring as well. Perfect for the bigger lakes or anywhere really. 87 hours, and it is a V8 6.2 liter 350 Mercruiser with the Bravo 3 dual drive. Thanks for watching.